Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy phone with paper. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You will need a few sheets of paper, preferably cardstock for a sturdier build. Grab some scissors, a glue stick, a ruler, and a pencil. These basic tools are all you need to start crafting your very own paper smartphone. Now, let's begin constructing the main body of your paper phone. Take one sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. This forms the basic shape. Next, measure and mark a rectangular area for the screen, about 2 inches wide by 4 inches long. Carefully cut out this screen section. Then, fold the remaining paper to give your phone some realistic thickness. With the main body complete, it's time to add those important details. Use your pencil to draw a home button at the bottom of the screen area and small volume controls on one side. On the back, sketch a tiny circle for the camera lens. For a more realistic look, cut a piece of different colored paper for the screen and glue it into place. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and personalize your creation. You can reinforce the edges with a thin strip of glue for extra durability. Now, unleash your creativity. Decorate your paper phone with markers, crayons, or stickers to make it truly unique. You could even craft a small paper stand to display your new device. Enjoy your handmade paper phone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.